Do you want Brazil versus Japan match ticket buying? First of all, you going to Chrome browser, then you search fifa.com, fifa.com, loading now. Then select Brazil versus Japan, tap to start. Ticket and hospitality, ticket explore details, then click here last minute sales, buy now. Then a red signal, reload the page. Uh, Submit a captcha 89915. Submit. Almost there. Wait. Then create an account. Sign in with Google. Uh, Click on your Gmail account. Continue. Then tick mark all box. Continue. Oh, sorry. Please choose your language. English. Uh, Name Niloy. From Bangladesh. Gender male. Date of birth. Randomly I submit date of birth. Sorry. Continue. Check your Gmail. Submit a code. Then you going to your Gmail inbox and copy this code and paste here. Sign in now. Oh, this form please submit. I am fan from suppose Brazil. Your main address. My main address has been Haluaghat, zip code 2260. Phone number. Please type your phone number. Country selected +880. You submit your identity and submit with information. I accept. Then remove 0. Save. My missing. You submit all information here and submit now. And select your payment method. Buy ticket, click now. Seen here. Germany, Paraguay, match ticket available. Netherlands, Morocco match ticket available. Oh, nice. Brazil and Japan match ticket limited available. Select. Select your location. I selected Grand Stand 1110 USDT. Right, I am selected this place. You select loading here. Do you want seat? You submit click here. Select a seat.
Ah, yeah.
You select a seat and add to cart. Loading now. Verification requirements. A site right to source your access right now. Then buy. I selected block lower, block 1285 USDT, seat number 22. Willing selects pay. Then pay now. Uh, do you have Visa or MasterCard? Just pay now. Pay now. Select Visa or MasterCard. I will select it Visa card. Pay now. You submit credit card number, expect expiration date, a name or credit card, security card, and you pay now. Click here and check your Gmail. FIFA ticket your Gmail inbox save. Thank you for your watching video and subscribe to my account. Thank you.